Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Coconut Bliss. This was on sale. I never tried their chocolate walnut brownie, so I picked it up. It was on sale, 100% plant-based. If you guys want to look, it's vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free. That's the ingredients nutrient panel, and then the ingredients are going to be on the side there. 23 grams of sugar, so there's quite a bit of sugar, guys. Just be aware of that. Coconut milk, as you can see, gluten-free brownies, and yeah. Okay, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Yeah, this was on sale at the grocery store, so oh, that's really stuck on there. I tried their dark chocolate one. You guys probably saw the video, but it had nothing in there. It was just dark chocolate flavoring around it. There's no nuts, no nothing. This one actually has chocolate chips. Look at that. Yeah, this one's definitely better than the other one. Yeah, I would say it's sweet. Has a nice chocolate taste to it. You can taste the chocolate chips in there. Yeah, it's definitely better than the other one. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. It is sweet though.